thunderstorm warning for west central Weber County in northern Utah, southeastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a line of showers producing wind gusts of 60 to 65 miles per hour was located 11 miles southeast of Great Salt Lake north of the causeway, or 37 miles west of Ogden, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Great Salt Lake north of the causeway, Gunnison Island, West Warren and Lakeside. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will likely occur without lightning.
First warnings off these two guys.
Immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near the Great Salt Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close away from the water and lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah, Box Elder and Weber. Caught on the water in a thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties. A severe thunderstorm warning for west central Weber County in northern Utah, southeastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.